Hi, this is Matthias here from Windsor.ai. And if you're a B2B SaaS like us, you are likely using ProfitWell. And in case you don't, you better check it out. So we have our numbers within ProfitWell, but then we would like to slice and dice them in our own way and join them with some other data in our data warehouse. We came up with the idea to create a connector. This is what I'm going to demo today. And this helps you get data from A to B. So you can get data from ProfitWell into Looker Studio, into your BigQuery table, or into your Python code, for example. There are 15 destinations, whatever your data stack is. We should support it. Now let's get started with a quick demo. You go to onboard.windsor.ai. You search for ProfitWell. Add your account name and your API key, which you can find in the configuration of your ProfitWell account. Then once you're done, you select the metrics and dimensions you'd like. In my case, I'm going to pull account name, customer ID, date, MRR, and total spend. And then I simply select the destination. To keep things simple, today I'm just going to show how we would get data into a Google Sheets document. I have an extension installed here, which is the Windsor.ai extension. Then once installed, I click on extensions, Windsor.ai, get data into sheet. Then you click add new query. And then I have ProfitWell dummy data here. Target sheet name is sheet 1. Then I can select the data source here. As said, for us, it's important to get all the data in one place. For this example, I'm just going to pull some ProfitWell data over here. I can select the account here, the date range I'd like to query, and then I can start selecting fields. So I can have customer ID, and then adding MRR and total spend account currency. Once I'm done, click on load data. And now the data is here. What I can do to automate the data pipelines, I can configure a scheduled run here. And then I get fresh data from ProfitWell synced over every hour. The same works for the other destinations. So in case you'd like to sync data into a BigQuery table, into a Snowflake table, you have a similar setup process, as well as Looker Studio, Tableau, and Power BI Desktop. Thanks very much for watching and enjoy working with our connector.